What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and today we're inside of my PC, Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And what we have is that we have done a backup and we've lost our music folder. In most cases, you would locate the music folder, you would right click, and then you would restore that music folder to its original location, which would be inside of your users folder. Like right here, we have the music folder sitting right here inside of my original Wayne folder, but inside of this folder right here, there is no music folder in here because this right here is everything is going to some other place. And so what I have found is that if you cannot find the folder, look in the registry. So we're going to come over here, we're going to hit our search, type in regedit, hit enter, choose yes on the dialog. And on your current user, you're just going to select it, make sure that it is selected, hit Control F and type in my music. Hit enter. And there we go. It's sitting right here. So that means that inside of my TrueNAS is where it originally was located at. So as you can see right here, there is no music archive sitting in here. It's actually sitting right here. So this right here is our music archive now. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to come over here, we're going to double click, and then we're going to replace it with that. And then we're going to choose, well actually let's cancel that. We're actually going to rename this folder right here to music archive. Come over here, and now we know that it is sitting inside of our Z drive. It's our music archive. So that's how you locate it. So if you want to put it back to its original location, then you would come inside of your users folder, and then you would just simply click here, and then you would double click, and then you would paste it in like so. Okay, and then that right there would put it, well, you would also add in my music like so, and then that right there will put it inside of your C drive inside of your users. So that's how you find your my music. Let's go ahead and cancel that out. You can also do the same thing with my pictures and my videos. And let's see, what else have I got moved? My desktop. So anything that is within this folder right here inside of your shell folder, which is this location right here, everything that's in here can be changed. So your desktop, your music, your pictures, your video, and then up here app data for the roaming profile, the administrative tools, and then up here for downloads. And so yeah, so them locations right there is everything that I have changed from the original C users drive into my B drive, or into, like in this case, this is going into my TrueNAS backup, and these two right here are inside of my F drive on the laptop. All right, I am Wayne Barron for Dark Effects Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.